নমস্কাৰ আসাম পুলিচ ABUB ৰিটেন এক্সামিনেশ্যন ৰিজাল্ট দিলে আৰু ডেট অফ ভাইভা ভইচৰ নটিচ এডমিট কাৰ্ড অপশ্যনো ডাউনলোড লিংক অপশ্যনো দিলে চ' ইয়াতে আমি নটিচটো চাওঁ আহক 6 তাৰিখত দিলে কেতিয়াৰ পৰা হ'ব This information is for all candidates who have appeared in written examination held on 24/04/2022 for a post of Constable ABUB in Assam Police. List of qualified candidates for next phase of test is published on SLPBR website. The Viva voice conduct from 11th July 2022 as per the date venues mentioned in the admit card. The admit card download facility will be available from 7 July 2022. Candidate will have to log in for downloading their admit card by entering application number, name, and date of birth. Admit card download koribo hole hetu lagibo application number aru ki name, date of birth. Technical support kan dise kintu amar notice to asile 6 tarikhe out korise aru yat list to yate dia ase list of qualified candidate for oral Viva voice in connection with recruitment for 705 post of Constable Constable UB and 1429 posts for Constable AB in Assam Police. So yate click here that qualified candidates for the oral Viva voice in connection with recruitment of Constable ABUB in Assam Police. Link to click koribo yate download option ahibo PDF please hobo yate Government of Assam State Level Police Recruitment Board Constable ABUB list of provisional candidate for oral Viva voice for Constable yate dia ase center code hobo Police Reserve Tinsukia the name dia ase serial wise saw paribo কেইটা বজাৰ পৰা টাইমিং দিয়া আছে ডেট 11 তাৰিখৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে 8টা বজাৰ পৰা দেন এনেকৈ Center V2 Police Reserve Jorhat second center নিজৰ center দিছে আৰু Silchar Police Reserve Silchar ইয়াত দিয়া আছে Fort APBN Police Battalion Kahilivar তেনেকে নিজৰ সেন্টাৰ বডি আছে ইয়াতে চাব পাৰিব এটো হল ৰিটেন ৰিজাল্ট কোৱালিফাইড হোৱা for downloading admit card এই লিংকটো ডাউনলোড admit card লিংকটো ক্লিক কৰিব ইয়াতে আপোনালোকৰ আহিব download admit card using application number candidates name date of birth এটা আহি যাব so hey best of luck for the qualified candidate and thank you for watching.